a new version, updated version of Traders Props Club Rise Fall online bot. You guys can see here, start with Zintic Index volatility 75, number of trades 12, and the broker API token you can just copy from your broker diary website. Click on setting and you'll find the API token. Broker app ID. We will give you this information to run, and the serial key also you get from our team. Stake amount, it's an a bet amount, how much you want to start with. Let's click on start trading. It's a live online bot for RiseFall. RiseFall have a great payout, almost 95%. So let's click on start trading. Trading has been started. Let's move on a Diary official website and check the account where the bot is working live in front of you guys. Here we are on Diary official website with $20 deposit. As you guys can see here, the balance is started increasing with 95% accuracy. The bot is making trades, its own decisions, its own analysis in background. The bot is consistent, profitable, powerful, and very good on Zintic rise and fall strategy. As you guys can see in previous videos, this is a new and updated version of our online bot. Keep watching guys. In a few minutes it's gonna hit $100. It's our today target.
3, 2, 1.
Keep watching guys. Profit is increasing step by step, and the money is on $104. We completed this one trade is left from 12 trades of the day. Completed with $114. Let's click on stop the bot. Trading has been stopped. You guys can see here, within few minutes the bot made good profit for us. Powerful, amazing bot. If you guys want to have, check the description.